Assalamu alaikum. Today we will be learning how to stake PAKcoins or basically mine PAKcoins. After the change of PAKcoin algorithm to POS, point of sale, first of all open your browser, head over to PAKcoin.io. There will be a link provided which contains all the instructions written. However, in this video we will demonstrate how to do it with ease. First of all, you will download the Windows wallet from the wallets page. Let's head over there. Here you will click over here, the Windows tab. Basically you will start the download. There you go. It's taking quite some time, so I've already had it downloaded. No need to worry. Secondly, you will log into your e-wallet or whatever other wallet you have on whichever platform. Now we will be starting the PAKcoin QT program. It's recommended you use the default data directory. You could use another at your ease. Allow access through firewall. PAKcoin wallet program is started. Let's see what we have to do next. Yes, exactly. We follow the second step. Heading over to the third step. Make a backup or any name. Let's first make a backup of it. As instructed, click on File menu. Click on Backup Wallet. And just save it anywhere. We'll be saving on desktop. PAKcoin wallet. Here you can see that the file is saved. Take this file and save it in other directories. It's considered better if you save them on external source hardware like a USB, a CD, or any other thing, so that in case your computer gets hacked or any problem arises, any natural disaster, you will have a second copy of your wallet available. Out of sync. Yes, you also have to let it synchronize. You'll be letting it synchronize for some time. I'll pause for some time. So just a second. We're back. The wallet is synchronized now. However, one thing we did wrong was that we backed up before. We need to back up now. So let's back up. You need to back up after synchronizing your wallet. Synchronizing will come over here. When it's synchronized, you will see a green tick like this. Now going to File, clicking on Backup Wallet, and going on Desktop again. Let's save it as PAKcoin wallet. And this one is useless, the one we created before, so let's just replace it. Alright, next up, deposit PAKcoins in your wallet. We're gonna deposit PAKcoins in our wallet now. It's recommended you transfer in multiple steps. Let's go to my e-wallet. Alright, new address. Copy. Now paste this, enter the amount. We're gonna send 50 PAK for now, and click on send. This is from e-wallet. You could do from any other wallet as well, like Free Exchange or Nova Exchange. My internet is really giving an issue. I think, let me just try. Oh, it's working fine. I should refresh the page a bit, I guess. Yeah, it logged out. Just a second, let me log back in. Coming back, yes, we were logged out for quite a lot of time, so we couldn't process the transaction. Logged back in, entering the amount 50 PAK. Confirm that the wallet address is same. Yes, indeed, it appears same. Yep. Click on send. Yeah, you can see that we have an incoming transaction. Let's see. We've received the PAKcoin into our wallet. I need a little, just a 2-second break. Kindly wait. Okay, here we're back. One thing we've confirmed is that it doesn't matter if you back up before sync or after sync. It's alright if you did before, as I mistakenly did earlier. It was not a problem at all. You could do it before or after. You need to generate a new backup as soon as you generate a new receiving address. Before that, it is no problem at all. Moving on, our PAKcoins have come from our e-wallet to our Windows wallet. Now we are waiting for staking. If you move to where I've shown on the screen, you can see a little pop-up saying not staking because you don't have mature coins. When we have deposited our coins, it normally takes about 2 hours for the coins to mature. After that, we will be staking. Let's wait. I'm gonna be pausing the video again so the coins can mature easily, and continue back from. Okay, we're back. It was getting quite late, so I had to leave the setup on, keep on going. As you can see, this is no longer red, it's green, and if we hover over it, we get a pop-up which says staking. rate is 50, that is the amount of PAKcoin we have. Then network rate is 3064487, that is the total amount of PAKcoins being staked. Expected time of delivery for award is 45 days. This is the time it will take us to get 5 PAKcoin. As we have significantly low volume that we are staking, the time is quite high. However, if the volume was greater, the time will be quite less. That's pretty much it. That wraps up the whole how you can stake. So have more PAKcoins, so staking can be easier. This is the page that holds the written instructions. It will be provided in the links. Thank you very much.